Hey there, this is Neil Napier, the Stoic Entrepreneur, and in this video, I'm going to do a speed run of Channel Builder AI. What that means is in the next 30 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can use this tool. Now, quick caveat, I haven't actually used this tool myself until now, so I'm going to be unpacking it, unboxing it right in front of you. Before I get into it, before we start that 30-minute timer and see how far we can get with this, let me just explain what this actually does. So Channel Builder AI helps you build faceless YouTube channels. And I can tell you that if done right, it works. Faceless channels are good because they allow you to basically create a bulk of content out there without actually putting a face on it, which for some people they quite like, and that's okay. Personally, I'm not always in the mood to create content by being on camera, and sometimes I haven't shaved, I haven't combed my hair, so it doesn't mean like I have to always be on camera to create content. So Channel Builder AI will help you do exactly that. And again, there are tons and tons of results of other people that have done so successfully. So I'm going to show you how this tool allows you to do that and how you can actually utilize it. So before we get in, I'm going to start a timer. Let me just bring that up right now. Let's say, and we're going to see how far we can get. So let's go into Channel Builder AI. And this is actually Faceless Reel rebranded. What that means is that this software, Faceless Reel, and a few other pieces of training and components that they have forms altogether Channel Builder AI. I can talk about that once the timer is up as well. But in this case, as you'll be able to see, you can integrate your YouTube, Facebook, Sonority, Video Reel, and 11 Labs account. 11 Labs is really good because you can use that for voiceover. We're going to connect that as well. But YouTube is, when you connect YouTube, you're able to publish content on YouTube. So I've connected my accounts already before this video started, and that was just a very quick process. But let's go and connect 11 Labs as well. So I need to enter my name and API key. So I'm going to do that very quickly, but I may have to play out some parts of this when that comes up. So then we go ahead and log into 11 Labs. This is really good for high quality audio and my own audio as well. So if I want the videos to be in my own voice, that's what I need. So let's go into API keys. And I'm going to, let's see if I can copy this one. I can't. Let's go and create a new API key. So I'll say this is Channel Builder AI, create, copy the clipboard. Connect. So now my 11 Labs account is connected as well. And what I can do in the future as I create these videos, I can use my own audio as well. I'm not going to connect with Facebook and Sonority and Video Reel right now, so that's okay. But I'll walk you through the features. So within Channel Builder, I can create a cover photo. And again, we're going to create one right now because we're trying to see how far we can get in, say, 30 minutes. So if I wanted to create a cover photo for my channel, I could pick one of the templates that they have and I could just customize it. So let me see something that appeals to me. I'm going to go for this one. So let's go for this one. And let's go ahead and pick a cover name. So this could be Neil Channel 2. And let's use this one. And I'm waiting for this cover to load. We still have about 27 minutes or so. So once this is up, I can edit this text and let's say, get your time. Oops. Let me see if I can undo that. There you go. Get time. Oops. Delete doesn't work. So that's something we learned. Backspace is better. Get time freedom. Okay, so something like helping you get time and financial freedom, one media at a time, something like that. So if I wanted to change a few things, I can of course add my own text as well. I can do all these things, but to be honest, this is enough for me. So I'm just going to download this and something I can use later on my YouTube channel. I can also create a logo. So they've got an AI-based logo builder. That's something you can choose as well, or you can also create some profile images using this. So for example, I'm going to just pick something like this. I think let's go Neil profile 2, and I'll pick this. And I've got this. I can upload my own picture, and that's of course means that it's going to use my own picture. So let me just see if I can quickly find it. Okay, that is there. Let's see if I'm able to put this in. Okay, there you go. But obviously this is not how I want it to be. So let me see if I can push it back a bit. No, I, to be honest, don't know how this works altogether. So, but I can kind of like, I guess, work on it a bit. So let me just do this. I mean, I don't think this is their bigger selling point, but I do wish that it was a bit more useful. Just because I'm not very creative myself. Yeah. It's not so good for me. I think it's, oh, but you can do AI images too, I guess. That's cool. So you can upload your own image and you're able to create AI images based on that. Again, not my favorite feature, but with these videos, I'm completely honest as to how everything works. So let's go to library. What you can do is here, you can add niches. So for example, for me, a lot of the content that I create is around marketing, right? Let's add another one. So this is content marketing, or let's say business growth. I'll choose that. So you can add those niches and, they get marked as like favorites, your favorites. You can add keywords as well. So let's say add some more keywords. I will say business growth. What I would really like to see here, a feature where you can actually generate keywords by AI. I don't see that here right now. And we have no ideas here at the moment. That's a bit surprising because I thought they would kind of make it easy to add ideas. But let's go ahead and create a new video and we'll see what that looks like. By the way, yeah, so they do have an AI in here. They've got an AI coach and I can set up a new conversation. Let me see. Let me try and do that. New conversation. And I'm just going to use my audio here to kind of speed this up, but you can type it out as well. Hey, so I create content around business growth and marketing, and I need your help to come up with a list of 20 keywords I could use in the future. And I also need a list of 10 video ideas. There you go. So that's done. So 20 keywords and about 10 business ideas. Okay, I'm just going to copy these for now. And let's see if I can put them into my library because that's where they were. So my keywords, add keywords. And again, I wish there was a way to do this like one by one all together. I mean, this is where I feel these tools, while they are good, they don't actually think about like the overall how people are going to use it. Like they're okay, they work, but you have to use them a certain way, which to me is a bit annoying because sometimes I like to do my work in bulk. But that's kind of what it is. Okay, I won't go deeper into that. But let's go to campaign. We're going to go ahead and create our own campaign. So let's create a video. First, you put in a basic information, and then you can choose an auto mode or a manual mode. We'll try and go through that. We still have 22 minutes left. So let's go to campaign name. So this could be Neil. Let's say we want to create a story video one. Okay, select country, US, English, channel. It's my YouTube channel. And this is, we want a standard YouTube video. And we can see all the videos that are here. By the way, we'll go for auto mode right now. Just make it easy. But then, like I said, we'll do manual in just a minute. So it's going to present some video templates for us. Thumbnail template, I'm going to go for this one because, I mean, it kind of works for the market that we're in. And then we can choose a video template. So video niche, by the way, first of all, is let's say we want this to be marketing. And how many videos do you want to create this month? Let's just say 2. And then call to action. Let's add a call to action. So call to action could be go check out Career Head. One of our tools, right? So I can link that, so that's fine. Call to action position could be top right. Okay, let's pick one of the video templates then. I'll go for this one. That's actually is not so good. Let's go for a different one. Let's go for this one. And this is the video template, and that, I'm going to move my video because I think it's getting in the way. So let's go next. And I can either use AI images, which again takes a little bit of time, or I can use stock images. So that's fine too. I'm just going to use stock images for now to speed this up. We can use AI images next time for manual. But I can use my own voice. I can record my voice. I can upload a file, or because we have 11 lab connected, I can do that as well. So that's good. Now, what this doesn't have, unfortunately, is it doesn't have my voice, which is a bit annoying. So let's see if I can create one. Okay, so my 11 Labs account should have my voice, but that's not here, so that's a bit annoying. So that's okay for now. I guess I'll ask the developers what's up, because I would need that. But let's go choose build voice. I don't know what it sounds like, but let's go create. Create. Okay. Okay, it's okay. It's a bit older sounding, but that's okay. We'll kind of run with that. I can of course clone my own voice too. Like, so they have that feature where I can clone my own voice, or I can record my own voice. Let's create a voice here right now. We're going to record something. Hey, this is Neil Napier, and I'm going to give some insights into how my business works. For starters, a lot of our business is focused on helping customers get both time and financial freedom by employing strategies to automate their business. Beyond that, we also work with our team to make sure that they are able to confidently cater to everything that our customers need. Okay, so this is going to clone my own voice, which is fantastic always. So let's just call this Neil Clone. But again, I prefer the clones from 11 Labs for me because they are quite robust. I've been, prepping them up for a long time, but that's okay. This is done, so we'll use Neil Clone in this case. Let's go and create videos, and we'll let it do its thing. It's going to take some time, but it's going to generate a video from me. While it does that, let's go back, and now we're going to create a manual mode video so you can kind of see more of the process. So let's say Neil manual shoot. Again, we'll choose the same parameters and select channel. In this case is the same one. Same video type, but let's go manual mode this time. So now you've got a few different video options, right? So you've got text to custom video, you've got blog to video, you've got talking head video, you've got audio to video, image to video, and text to a movie scene. So you can choose the one you want, whatever works for you. I'm just going to pick one at random because, hey, why not? And we'll go for this one, image to video, which I haven't used very often, but hey, why not? Let's try this out. Turn your images into stunning videos with AI-powered transformations. Just upload an image and let the magic happen. Let's go next. Okay, so let's say in this case, now I have to go through the entire process one by one. Again, remember, this is where you can use the AI coach and actually help it guide you, but we're just going to do it ourselves. So let's say the niche in this case is, again, marketing. Our target market is parents 41 to 60, and ideas overview. This is where I can, again, open up the AI coach and I can get the idea that it gave me. Let's say how to create a winning marketing plan in 2024. Not sure why it's saying 2024. Should be 2025. I think that coach might be a bit old. Again, I'll give them that feedback. But let's go with this. A step-by-step guide for business to prepare for the new year. Yeah, let's go for this one. Let's go next. Ideas overview. Okay, it's doing its thing. I'm going to check in the meantime if there's already the video is created yet. Okay, it's awaiting customization. Let me see if I can go in. Okay, it's generating slides right now. Okay, we'll let it do its thing. There you go. Okay, let's go back to creating manual video. So video ideas give me some more suggestions based on that. Let's say I'll go for this one. I can choose multiple ideas, right? So I can choose like 4 ideas right now. Let's go for next. What it then does is it creates metadata for the video, which is really useful if you're going to publish on YouTube. You need some metadata to go along with it, which is really, really important. So it's still doing slides there. Still moving forward. Again, it might be a bit slowed down as well because we're doing multiple things at the same time. There you go. So title, description, some tags, and it's got the same thing for all of them, which is fantastic. Again, we're doing 4 at once, which is again where it might slow us down a little bit, but that's okay. Okay, So this is now the auto-created videos are now awaiting customization. Don't know what that entirely means, but let's go check it out. I'm going to go into edit. Okay, this is what it means. So I need to kind of go in and like, even if it's automated, it creates a draft of the video and I need to like confirm it. So let's play this. Okay, it's a little bit confusing because I can't see where is it sort of yeah, it's a little bit confusing, but let's go to this one. Let's go to this one. So there's a video there too. There's a video there too. But if I don't want it, can I just delete it? Okay, I think it took me back. Let's go back to the video where we were. Okay, so it seems to me like I have to kind of zoom out to be able to see the whole thing, which is, to be honest, not the best way to use this, but okay. Like, I don't know why I can't move this thing, but I can see all the videos here, right? So that's good. Let me see if I can delete something. If I don't want this, can I delete it? I can click here and delete this part, maybe. Let's zoom in a bit. Okay. To be honest, it's a little bit confusing as to how I can use it in the best way possible. I'm just going to move my video around. Okay. Let's preview this. Okay. I don't know why the hell is it reading this out. I definitely do not want that because obviously it's not something I want to say. Okay, let's just listen to it. Okay, look, generally it's not so bad. I'll say what I'm struggling with here is kind of operating this. I'm just going to refresh this and see if that solves it. Okay, so what I'm struggling with is like, how do I get rid of this stuff? Because I'm trying to delete some of these things and I can't. There's the music as well, right? That's being used. I like to lower the volume of the music. But let me circle back to manual process and let's see if that's actually any easier, right? So this is the video and here this is the video script, by the way, that is done. So let's upload an image. Let me just choose some random images, okay, from my computer because I don't have any specific images. Let's choose some random images. If I can, let's choose this one. Okay, upload another image. So I can do them one by one. No, I can't. Let's try another. Oh, that was a WP file. So it has to be JPEG or PNG. Again, it will help if they actually say which file it needs to be. Okay, so let's go see if I can click next already because I've only chosen one. So it's telling me when I can publish it, when it will be published basically. That's the time zone and that's all fine. Let's go next. For this video, for the other videos as well, I can kind of choose those time zones and I think they're going to be pretty soon, I'd say. So we're just waiting for it to go ahead. And while it's doing that, we have 11 minutes left. I'm going to go back and check this. 1 second. Let me just see. I'm going to render this one out. Just see how long that takes as well. Okay, downloading resources, awaiting customization. Let's see if I can edit this one. This was the second video because we had asked for 2 videos. Remember? Okay, and I'm kind of annoyed just because I want to be able to edit that. Oh, there you go. So voiceover is 100% background audio. I can really reduce the sound here. So let's play this. It's better. Call to action. Yep, let's publish it. Oh, in this case, I'm going to hide this. Add logo, add watermark, templates. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, so audio is definitely better, but I need to figure out how to edit this. Okay, let's go back to Faceless. This is the image, the thumbnails that is created. It's fine. We're just gonna kind of run with it for now. Choose media type, stock images, clone your own voice. Let's go for this clone again, create videos. Okay, now again, it's doing the same thing as generating the slides, which we can then edit. Here, remember, it is rendering the video, so I'll go back and check what that looks like in the library, if the videos are done. Or rather, campaign, sorry. Render successful. I'm going to download video. And it's downloading on my computer right now. Again, my main sort of thing with this was, how do I edit this text? Because I can't seem to type it, which is a bit annoying. Okay. I gotta ask the team, I have to say. So this is where, see, I like to do a speed run because I want to know all these things that I'm kind of not doing right, and then I can tell you as well what they are. So that's always good to know. Let's go back to dashboard, and I think, let me see. I'm going to pause and ask them and bring you back. All right, so get this. I've been waiting on the team for quite a while, and they've finally come back with an update. And the update is that they've fixed the things that I wanted them to fix. So let me go back to the timer, and I will continue this. We've got 8 minutes left, so let me go back to the editor. So I'm going to refresh this. And something I asked them to build in was the ability for me to delete certain segments if so I wanted. So for example, this one is just unnecessary. So I'm going to delete that altogether. This one is unnecessary. I'm going to delete that altogether. You can't still change the script that's been created. If you're doing manual work, you can actually delete the script in there. So let's just go for all this. Now this is done, right? So again, I kind of asked them to still edit it, and I think there's something they have to build in to actually change the word edit. But let me just play this right now. Let's preview. So yeah, that's the annoying part. And there's still this host left, and I'll ask them to get that fixed as well, because the scripts should not have that word host in there. I think what's happening there is they've got this basic AI engine that's producing these scripts, and because of that, it's just taking host into account. But I'll ask them to get that fixed. But once I'm happy with it, click render, and you are good to go. That's just now sorting out. And then we go back to some other window. I can show you. These are the manual things we're building, right? So let's go into editing mode here again. And these were the manual steps that we were building earlier, as you remember. And I'm just going to wait for this to show up as well. Let's go to campaigns and try again. There. I think it's happening because I'm running a parallel rendering job as well. So this is awaiting customization. I'm going to take this one and click edit. I think something for me to share with them, because of course we saw earlier this was working fine, but now suddenly that is gone. But as long as you can edit the script, as you saw earlier, we had the script boxes, you are able to basically work on them as well. So all in all, a good tool. I mean, and you can also schedule posts in advance from here. So for example, you can choose where you want the post to be made. You can select the video, and you can add some caption, add tags, and then you are able to also automatically schedule this post for the future. Let me just play this one. Again, this is like the old video, so it doesn't have the changes that I've made. So now it's rendering a new one. You'll be able to use a new one once it is available. So that's it. This is how Channel Builder works. Let me just stop this now. I mean, it took us about 24 minutes or so, minus the time I had to go to them to get some stuff fixed. And I think it is pretty cool. But let me just explain what the funnel is going to look like, what you'll be able to get access to once this comes out. I know these guys really well, and I'm sure they won't mind me sharing this with you. They've got a few different parts, a few different things built into there. So I've only been able to show you one, but there's like one is Magic Flicks. Let me go further down. Right, that's Magic Flicks. And there's also Faceless Reel that I showed you. So you can do that as well. Yeah, the Faceless Reel is the one that I showed you earlier. I think they shared Magic Flicks access with me too, but I'll have to find that. Maybe I can do that in another video. But you can see like everything that it allows you to do, which is great. And again, all this is full channel automation. This is why it's called Channel Builder. So you'll be able to get access to that as well. Faceless Reel. And let me see if there's anything else. Okay, just that. But again, the goal is that with Channel Builder AI, you'd be able to automate entire channels 100% hands-free. And then you'd be able to, let me go bigger. You'd be able to, besides that, create congruent videos, characters, and themes as well. And the goal here is to do all this work automatically for you behind the scenes. So this is what it typically looks like. They've got a funnel where you can get the main offer for about $39. Includes all the features that I've shown you so far. With the upgrade, you've got an advanced version where you get 15 sub accounts you can give away or sell to other people. You can create unlimited videos. I think this might have some limits of few videos a month. So there's that. And then you've got Elite license as well. They've got some done for you channel art that you can use as well. And enterprise version, which has white label technology as well, white label built in. So you can rebrand Magic Flicks or Faceless Reel as your own with your own logo and domain, which by the way is always a big thing. So check out all of this. And of course, as always, they do a bundle deal as well if you're going to check it out on a webinar. So you can ask for a bundle link from us and I'll be happy to share that with you. But overall, I think it's a really good software. Again, I can only show you one half of it just to show you how far we can get with it in 30 minutes. But I do think it's quite an incredible piece of kit that they're offering. And anyone who wants to do anything with YouTube and then take these videos to Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, anywhere else for that matter, I think it's a really good comprehensive deal that you should get access to.